Problem is that what's happened is that the culture in our government has become that has become such that the entire government, all its agencies, all its organs, all its offices, are allowed to be used for personal gain and for basically corruption. How many high-profile investigations have we seen in the Senate? How many well-proven incidents of corruption have we seen in government? None of them have been punished. It's a culture in government that corruption is okay. This administration basically has said to all of its people that it's okay for you to make money in government. Take a little percentage here to get a kickback, to overprice. Okay lang yun. That's part of the way we do business. And that is a dangerous thing. You have to prosecute the laws strictly. And you have to prosecute someone who is, in fact, somebody who's prominent. And show that you are serious in prosecuting anybody.
Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
I do not negotiate with criminals. Walang special na pagtrato, walang sinasanto. Ako ang nagsimula nitong lahat. Ako ang magtatapos.